What you doing, Ernie? What you doing, Ernie? Oh, popped right on top of the head with that chain. Oh, oh. You can't come out this far. Here, kiss this gate. Bring her here a minute. There. Let them see each other again.
You gotta come on. Come on here. Come on, Elsie. Come here.
You want to go catch her. She wants to go out in the pasture.
You ain't going that way. To the barn. What are you doing? What is that? Slow down.
You got company again? That's not a milk bottle. It's not a milk bottle. You don't know what that thing is on her, do you? I think she's tired of visiting with you. She's ready to go.
You got ready for your bottle.
Okay, you better put her back up for the rest of them coming here. Walk on in there.
You're like in your feet. So you could get you some exercise and walk, and then back legs a little bit.
Hey, Molly. Go ahead, I'm figure this out. Well, as you can see, it is another rainy nasty, messy day here in North Carolina. Thought the rain was about over, but it just keeps right on coming. And old Elmo, he's just as wet as he can be. They've been out eating in the pasture today, and they finally come up to the barn. It's about time to feed up this afternoon, so I was just gonna try to do a quick video today. It's not gonna be a whole lot to it. It's been so rainy and wet and cold. We hadn't done a whole lot outside. It was so cold yesterday, me and Kim decided that we would just take the day off and get our regular chores done that we could do. And didn't get to work on the chicken coop any this weekend. It was so cold and windy, so we decided all the work we wanted to do was on the outside, put the wire on and everything else. So we decided we'd hold off and not do it yesterday. But we got some things coming up. We got some things we can do on the inside coming up, getting ready to do. I didn't like it either. You better be easy now. I know you ready to eat. It ain't time to eat yet. You're gonna get hay this afternoon anyway. But this weekend's kind of been a wash. We hadn't done a whole lot this weekend. Like I say, the time, whenever it changes back to have more daylight in the afternoons, we'll get off work. We'll have a lot more to do and more time to do it. But the way it is right now, during the week, we don't really get a chance to do a whole lot. It's dark when we get home from work, time we feed up and everything. And yesterday was so cold and windy, we didn't want to get out and do a whole lot. And most stuff we had to do yesterday, especially for the chicken coop, was the outside stuff. We got the post buried in the ground. All we need to do now is get the 2x4s put on it and the wire put on the outside. And other than that, we should be good to go from the outside and then start working on the inside. And like everything else, you try to find stuff to do on the inside. The stuff that you need to work with, you either got to order it or something else like that. So we couldn't get anything yesterday to really do a whole lot with the chicken coop. Elmo. I see you, boy. I see you, boy. Oh, your tongue getting kind of rough. Well, of course, it's still raining, so we're gonna let everybody eat in the barn today. Ernie, he's kind of getting used to the hay. He's really started eating hay good. I'm kind of glad of that. Hopefully the next few months we can start weaning him off his bottle, because he loves hay, and I'm glad to see it. He'll eat him a mouthful every time he turns around. Of course, the girls, they're eating good. They're eating hay in here today. It's raining so much right now. I hate to feed them in here in the hallway, but I'd rather for them to have this dry hay in this dry barn and have wet hay out there in the rain. So we'll let them eat in the barn tonight. Hopefully the weather clear up here in a few days. I don't know. We've had so much rain. It's so wet. You can't even walk around even in the backyard without getting about ankle deep in water. We've had a lot of rain, and it's supposed to rain all day today, all night tonight. It's supposed to hopefully stop sometime tomorrow. But I can't stop the rain. I can't make it rain. I can't stop it raining. So the Lord knows what we need, and He's going to give us what we need. And so this is just a quick video just to say hey to everybody. Like I say, we didn't get to do a whole lot this weekend. The weather was so bad. Just want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching our videos. Thanks to everybody who has been subscribing to our channel. Right now, I think the last time I checked before this video is going up, we had about 854 subscribers. Kind of get a few, lose a few. But we appreciate everybody who has subscribed to the channel, everybody who hits the like button on the videos. That helps us out a whole lot. And I tell you what, I would love to see us hit 1,000 subscribers. I never thought we'd be this high, this quick already, but I tell you what, it's kind of exciting to see the people who actually have been tuning in and subscribing to our channel. And like I said, let's see the numbers go up, and we appreciate all those who have already subscribed. And like I say, if you got a friend or neighbor who might be interested in this kind of stuff, hey, let them know to come check us out, visit with us. And if they will, subscribe to the channel too. Maybe our channel will grow and start doing a little better. Hey, also don't forget, we do have some hats. We've had a few people wanting hats, which has been good. And like I say, we kind of just did this on a idea of anyhow, just for us to have a few hats to wear around the house, because I like wearing hats anyway. But if you'd like one of our hats, we do have a website now. It's www.worleyfamilyhomestead.com. Hey, go in there and take a look. We got some hats on there for sale, and if you're interested in one, we'll sure get you one. Well, I guess that's about gonna wrap it up for us this weekend. Hopefully the weather will be better next weekend. We can start working on chicken coop some more. I want to go and get the wire put on it, get the run finished, and get the gate all put up. I want to go ahead and start on the inside with the nesting boxes and the roosting poles, and I got an idea for a feeder. I have actually went and bought the supplies to make the feeders with. So hopefully by next weekend we'll have a little bit better weather and be a little bit warmer, and we can actually go out and go ahead and get that started. Maybe next weekend the weather will be a little bit better and we can go ahead and get the chickens moved into their new place and go ahead and add to our flock. Thanks again for being with us, and we'll hopefully see you next weekend and have some more stuff done.